What's going on, my tech friends? This is the One Tech Bus. So today we're going to be reacting to one of Unbox Therapy's video. Man, when Unbox Therapy uploads a video, I get so excited. I'm literally full of joy. I'm probably his number one top fan because I am so excited when he always uploads a video. It's just a fresh, like, I just feel so nice and so like I feel so happy. But yeah, he's posted this video, I think, last week, the biggest Cyberpunk 2077 unboxing. And I want to see what's in the box, because obviously the game's a big game and, you know, everyone's starting to get into it. It's like GTA 5 and, yeah, you know, everyone's starting to play that game because obviously GTA 5 is starting to die down slowly. But yeah, we're going to look at it, we're going to react to it, and yeah, we're going to see what it's all about. So yeah, let's get it!
Portion of this video has been sponsored by Zen.
We don't care about the sponsor.
You are likely well aware, the most anticipated game, not just of 2020, of like, I don't know, the last decade recently launched.
Decade?
And I haven't seen
the beat
like this in a very long time. Now this
so freaking futuristic, bro.
Came courtesy of CD Projekt Red, the developer of
Cyberpunk.
Say which game we're talking about yet?
Cyberpunk
2077.
Yeah.
Maybe I don't even need to say it because you.
I might actually get this game because it looks so cool. I've seen some gameplays, and mate, I think I might have to get this game.
I have no idea what's inside this package. Whoa!
Woohoo!
This is the biggest. Look at how it looks like a real game box. PC digital download, collector's edition. My goodness gracious.
Don't smack the mic, Unbox Therapy.
And it looks like just a bunch of cool stuff. So we're gonna lift
this
off.
That's a huge box. That is a big ass box.
All the independent windows here. People living in Night City.
Ooh.
Whoa! I'll lift that out first.
First of all, let me just tell you guys now, the presentation is absolutely on point. Wow. Look at it. He just opened the box and it just looks it just screams futuristic to you. It looks absolutely awesome. I wonder what that signature is on the left side of the box. I wonder whose signature, maybe all the people that actually participated to actually make this game, probably all their signatures, but that looks so damn cool.
Very cool. You have to appreciate, I've been talking on, shut up. This is all the names of people who worked on it. That's crazy.
Hey, I told you, all the names of the people that done this, that was involved in this game, the signatures, all that. I think that is so cool. That is such a cool kind of aspect to the game. Just to be able to see everyone that was involved in the making of this game, which is awesome.
And they're still working right now because this has been such a huge launch. I mean, the art is such a big part of this particular title. That's a hardcover book, by the way. Wow, a little timeline, the history of Night City, background on the storyline, and help increase
like a comic book
of your understanding.
That's
and
insane.
for immersion.
I wonder if this is available for people to buy. Like this whole big box. That would be so cool.
Crazy impressive on its own. Such an ambitious task. Anyway, cool art book there. I'll go through that. This is your steel book case. Shimmery concrete / yellow.
Whoa, I didn't know no one's told me that they make game cases with metal. Wow, that is awesome. That's pristine luxury. You can have that on display, and wow, people ask you what is that as a CD case. Mad.
Look to it. That works really well. NCPD evidence, Detective Bureau, Haywood Station, chain of custody. This looks very official.
Wow.
This is a Nomad's Guide to Night City, 3rd edition. Some bedtime reading. As you interact with these real-world manifested objects, it enhances your belief when you go to play the game. So that's pretty cool as well.
Let me just tell you guys, the B-rolls from Unbox Therapy is absolutely gorgeous. He's just only started doing it recently, maybe a few months back, and wow, his B-rolls are awesome. Way better than mine. I need to take inspiration from him to make my own B-rolls out of it, because that is awesome.
I don't know what these are. These little... Oh, look at that.
What's
got
that?
Pins going on. Miltech. Night City Heat with the explosion going off. Ooh! Look at this.
But now I'm more excited than him, and he's the one unboxing it, bro.
I don't know what vehicle this is, but I have seen enough in the trailers and gameplay to this point to recognize.
I mean, who does that? What game manufacturer puts all this goodies in a box when they actually send it out to you or when you buy it? That's just awesome. It just makes you think about how much they thought about this game for them to bring it out. And this whole bang, literally all this is, people are watching this and they're getting more interested, they've got more insight on what this actual whole game is about, and more people's going to play this game because of everything that you're going to be getting with this game, and just seeing all this and all the effort they put in just to make this game. It's just absolutely mind-blowing.
This is a vehicle inside of the game, and that's solid. That's heavy,
wow, the wheels move. Look at the wheels. The wheels move.
Wheels still spin. This
wow.
is a keychain, of course. I like the red ring on it
wow.
as well. That is a cool little keychain. It's very Drive-esque as well. Over here, this is probably going to be stickers, I'm guessing. Yes, correct. This is
wow.
stickers. Arasaka, Trauma 7 are these gangs, maybe.
Wow.
Nicola, Sweet Justice. And the last one up are these patches. Yes, they are.
Oh wow, these you can sew into your jumpers and your t-shirts and all that. That is awesome.
Real tropical. You look a little
that is pretty damn cool.
Also a skull. Alright, so here is the game case.
So I'm guessing this is the game you actually get from when you order this game online or go to the store to pick it up or buy it. This is the actual form it's gonna come in.
Game code.
Still looks pretty cool. Still looks very modern, which is nice.
Compendium. I don't even know what compendium means. We're gonna get a definition right now from our crack research team. You're going to need 60.
Well, look at the studio. Wow. One day, guys, please subscribe, share the video, like the video, more views, and mate, the studio my guy has right now. This is inshallah. This is the kind of setup that I really want for when I'm bigger on YouTube, and you guys are the only ones that can make that happen. So please subscribe and please get me up there because it will be absolutely fantastic.
64-bit Windows 7, 64-bit Windows 10, at least a Core i5-3570K or an AMD F.
So this is all the specs that you need for obviously one minimum specs to be able to run this game.
Radeon RX 470, 70 gigs of hard drive space, SSD recommended. Those
pretty much low specs in case you have the low spec PC.
You're gonna want even more current graphics, and I've got a video coming out actually utilizing a 3090. It's not here yet. Mo has given us a definition of compendium.
Right, let's get with it.
It's underneath there, but that's an actual plastic card in there.
Oh wow, this is the case. Everything is wow. You got a nice map of the night city as well. The game.
You can just have it up with the styling, obviously.
It looks so good as well. Imagine that on the wall. Wow.
Mixed in with the yellow representing the
road
major streets.
That's awesome. That's insane.
And then the last thing in the package here is.
Wow, what the hell is this?
Check out that motorcycle. Ooh. You got the dude. He slammed the dude on the front. Ooh. They're currently like mid-battle. This guy's hanging on for dear life.
That's insane.
Look at that. And the detail and the stickers and the places where the paint is worn down and the rubber on the tire and the cool to the touch from the metallic components.
Oh my god.
My god, they put some energy into that.
Oh my.
So here is
what's
the
this one?
stand that it's going to live on. Look at that. What is that? That, to me, Jack, looks like
a pig, not a rabbit. Bunny pack.
With some ammunition clips in it. The no future sign on the back, indicative of what you're going to...
Oh.
This dude's getting plowed into the ground as
he's about to jump off.
Continues his fight off in the distance. This thing is cool.
That is nice.
Angle that you look at it, that is one of the coolest
that's a nice piece.
I have seen with a special edition game of any kind. Man, what an experience!
Wow. What an experience. Like I said to you guys, the fact that they're making things like this just gets people so excited, especially with the games, for people to play it. It gives people more like a oomph or like a joy to be able to download this game and actually give it a go and play and see what it's about. The things like this I like. I really like this. GTA 5, I wish they came up with this. I mean, GTA 6 is going to be coming out, God knows when. But if they implement this, it's going to bring a lot of people back into GTA, because we've had GTA 5 since 2013 and such a long time, years and years. So GTA 6 has to come up with something good to get that audience back from Fortnite, Cyberpunk, and all these games that they've diverted to. They need to bring them back. So if they bring out something like this, it's going to be game over for all those manufacturers and all those games out there. But yeah, guys, if you've enjoyed the video, please don't forget to smash that like button. Also, dislike the video if you don't like it. Comment down below, tell me why you dislike the video. And yeah, I just want to say thank you so much for the support that I've been getting on all my recent videos. My recent videos reaching about 3 numbers. Wow, over 100 views. It's just absolutely awesome. And also, I've been seeing the hates on there as well. I don't really care, because hate doesn't get to me. I just don't care. But yeah, guys, like I said, if you enjoyed the video, subscribe and do all that stuff. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Peace.